November sales report and best-selling items. For the month of November, I had 117 sales across all stores. This is a 27% increase from the 92 sales I had in October. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie, 71, with 11 being my purchases. Weddings by Rhoadie, 7, 4 my purchases. Homeschool Me, 8. Rhodie's Kitchen, 13. Alma Africa, 6. Bible Verses and Gifts, 9, with 7 being my purchases. Earrings by Rhoadie, 3, with 2 being my purchases. I started purchasing my own products to assist with marketing efforts. I gift them to family, friends, and coworkers, as well as making videos featuring or reviewing them. Best-selling items. In first place was my Best Grandpa Ever photo t-shirt. My birthday wishes for him photo card came in second place. My happy birthday grandpa photo greeting card was in third place. The rest of the sales included products such as a scripture throw pillow, stickers, leggings, file folders, snowman button, puzzles, wrapping paper, tote bags, shot glasses, wedding menu cards, Post-it notes, Christmas stockings, apron, earrings, a light switch cover, personalized baseball, a license plate frame, golf balls, napkins, and thank you cards. Customer demographics. 74% was from the U.S., 26% international. 85% of my customers were women, 10% men, and 5% unknown. My top states are Texas 9, California 7, New Jersey 5, Virginia 5. Now, I did not count my own sales in Virginia because I'm from Virginia, but I do believe because I purchased so many sales, I think I may have purchased 15 products, that it helped increase my Virginia sales. International sales, Australia 22, Canada 4, New Zealand 1, France 1. Honorable mentions. Buying my own products really did help boost my sales because I noticed that when you buy your products, especially just buying them like a sample of them as is without making any customizations, it shows up in your royalty earnings as a sale. Versus when you customize it, it doesn't show up as a sale. Referrals. I had 4 referrals for the month of November. Takeaways. I began purchasing my own products this month so I can examine their quality and use them in promotional videos. I discovered that if you purchase your product without making customizations, it will count as a sale toward your store. This can help make your item more visible in the marketplace, which in turn makes your store more visible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.